Pretty cool, though.
Okay.
All right. Give it to the gator. Ready?
Here's a turtle trying to get it. Here's another piece. Can I do this one, Mama? Can I say
Is that the last one? Hold on.
Let him eat it.
Go throw this in the garbage, Lexi, down there. By the time you get back, you can throw the other ones.
Yay!
The turtle's been coming over. I thought there was another gator behind him. It was a turtle. He doesn't like the light. Alright. Wind pinching.
No.
Alright, I want to throw it out far. So, he's looking for it a little bit.
He can smell it. He smelled the other one. He can get the other one. You're right over it.
He didn't get that one.
We'll find it.
They have good smell. Oh!
Is that a turtle?
Yeah, he has nipped the turtle. Get away from my fucking food, he said.
Mine, or she'll be my food. He's going under.
He's getting
It's
it.
about where it's at. He got it, didn't he?
He's still wallowing.
He'll find it. Here comes the tackle.
Searching.
Getting cold.
You know, little turtle pop its head up right there. Hello. What you got?
Grass.
Yeah, come here. Stop. No. Dear Lord, I have to jump the fence. Dear Lord.
It's right over there, buddy.
Somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's going under. I think he found it.
I think he snapped the turtle.
He smells it. He just pushed it.
Yeah, he just kicked it up. There it is.
Yeah.
Oh, the turtle's got it.
The turtle got
The
it.
turtle's got it.
Got the chicken. Oh, this is not good.
Oh, the turtle stole the chicken from the alligator.
Holy shit. I didn't know turtles
Look.
eat chicken.
Look, the turtle's got the chicken in his mouth. He's dipping out.
Fuck
The
you.
turtle said, "Fuck you, gator, I'm out." Look at him.
He's hauling ass.
Oh my God.
Look at the turtle dipping off with the chicken.
Look at the poor gator. Give me my food.
Buddy, you just got ganked, son.
The turtle has your food.
Oh, the turtle's gone.
He's way over
Just
there.
over the other turtles.
Sorry, buddy.
I'll bring you more tomorrow.
Shit, look.
Maybe that's what that sound was. The turtle grabbed
See
it.
the freaking gator try to get the turtles out and chicken?
Yeah.
Maybe the turtle's a snapping turtle and it snapped and it made that noise.
We'll bring you more tomorrow. I'll bring you a whole